How to borrow Worldcoin, also known as WLD. Step 1. Acquire cryptocurrency for collateral. Currencies like Bitcoin and USDT. You need to deposit more in crypto value than you wish to borrow. This protects the lender against market fluctuations. Step 2. Set up a compatible crypto wallet. Wallets like MetaMask, Worldcoin, Ledger. You'll need a non-custodial wallet that supports the blockchain Worldcoin operates on, primarily Ethereum and potentially Optimism. Step 3. Choose a decentralized finance lending platform that supports WLD. Lending apps like Magnify Cash and Morpho. Step 4. Connect your wallet to the lending platform. Once you have chosen a platform, navigate to its website and connect your compatible wallet. Step 5. Deposit before borrow. Make sure to deposit first before you borrow from lending apps for WLD.